So, Samsung is gearing up to unveil its new flagship tablets, and you can feel the excitement in the air. While their US website is playing it cool and not revealing too much, over in India, they've been accepting pre-reservations for a new Galaxy Tab. That pre-reservation window closes today, so it's crunch time for anyone looking to jump on board. Just recently, the ever-reliable leaker Mystery Lupin dropped a video that gives us a sneak peek at what's likely the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. This is the smaller of the two flagship tablets we're expecting this year, and honestly, it sounds like we shouldn't hold our breath for a ton of groundbreaking upgrades compared to last year's Galaxy Tab S9 models. The video is pretty straightforward. Some viewers even joked that it feels like a PowerPoint presentation. But don't let that fool you. It actually shines a light on some cool new AI features, which seem to be Samsung's big focus this time around. We're talking about tools like Circle to search and Sketch to image. Imagine doodling something and then watching it transform into actual artwork thanks to the S Pen. That's pretty awesome, right? Plus, there's a new Galaxy Eye button on the keyboard cases, which is a neat touch that could make navigating these features a breeze. And speaking of features, there's some buzz about the Tab S10 series coming with anti-reflective panels. If this turns out to be true, it could make a huge difference in how you use the tablet, especially if you love binge-watching shows or working in bright spaces. No more squinting at the screen. Now, let's chat about the lineup. It looks like Samsung is skipping the base 11-inch Tab S10 this year and focusing solely on the Tab S10 Plus and Tab S10 Ultra. In terms of pricing, the Tab S10 Plus is rumored to start at $999 for the 256 gigs version, while the Ultra is expected to kick off at $1,199. So, if you were hoping for a more budget-friendly option, this is a bit of a bummer since the entry point is higher than last year, where the base model was around $800. With all these leaks flying around and the pre-order page making a brief appearance, it seems like Samsung is ready to drop the official announcement any day now. Are you as pumped about the Galaxy Tab S10 lineup as I am? What features are you most excited about? I mean, who wouldn't want a tablet that turns their scribbles into masterpieces? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And for all the latest updates, make sure to keep an eye on our channel. We've got you covered with everything you need to know. Until next time, take care and stay tuned.